Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I don't know what size canvas that is, but I can probably tell you in just a second that it is a 12-inch round. I've got some Anita's white metallic that I'm always telling you how inexpensive it is, so I thought maybe just once, instead of using pillow paint, I would make an attempt and use my Anita's, which is probably not as inexpensive as house paint, but it's what I've got handy, and I really want to use it. And I think I'm going to put even more in there. I don't think I'm going to spin. I'd like to spin I think my turntable is really, really kind of whacked out. So it's not a worthwhile endeavor. Although you can never tell. I do change my mind sometimes. So the reason I'm willing to use this white metallic from Anita's is basically because I have a large batch of it mixed up. It's handy. It disappears. And I'm wondering how much to use, because it looks like I could use more, or maybe it shouldn't be as heavy as it is, but it doesn't really matter to me right now, because I'm going to use the electric blue from Arteza, some of the Anita's white metallic that has Venetian blue in it, some of the Venetian blue, some of the cobalt blue, which is an Artist Loft metallic turquoise, and moving along, some of the Hot Orchid from Color Art. Color I mixed up with some Hot Orchid that I'm not sure what I combined to get that color, but I've got it. I'm going to use a little bit of magenta. Okay, more than a little bit of magenta. I'm going to grab my Deco Art 24 karat gold. I want a little bit of this color shifting orange, red orange from Folk Art. I might be sorry about that. Here's some Sargent's yellow. All these are mixed with my paint pouring recipe that's underneath the video. And last but not least, I'm going to use some of my neon Folk Art purple that has Anita's white metallic in it. Then, I guess I'm going to use this weird paddle I made up and some cell activator that has Australian Floetrol in it. And maybe, because I did it there, maybe I'll do it on the other side too. Because I like this purple. This purple is just a Hobby Lobby Master's Touch brand. But it makes me want to make some more. And I kind of want to play with this a little bit. Like I have more cell activator, and I really see no reason why not to drag it right down the center. I've been looking at Shelley's art, and I'm loving her stripes. Makes me want to put another one down here, but I'm going to lose a lot of paint if I tip this. And I may tip it right into a little dish. And I do think I'm going to give myself the pleasure of some more. Is it open? It's somewhat open. It's not as open as I need it to be. Let's just pour some of that out. And I think I'm going to use more of the magenta, more of the Folk Art Neon that's added to the Anita's White Metallic, and more of this color, which I do not see any of having survived, which was the Sergeant's Yellow with a little bit of orange in it. And I do have my little tool, so I can just go from one side and the other, I think. Let's wipe that off right there. No better place I can think of. Now this is not my forte, so you never know what I'm going to do or get. I really want to spin that like she spins it so bad. You know what? Wait a minute. I gotta try it at least once, right? I might make a terrible mess. I don't think I can spin this fast enough to make any difference. It's covering on one side. Oh my goodness. Let's try it the other way. Well, you saw it from me. I can't say you saw it first, but you definitely saw something I did first. For me, personally, that spread out pretty well. Makes me want to use my spatula and pick up all that color and put it over here, and I could do that still too. I think. I mean, I'm a paint saver and I don't see why I shouldn't. It's my hot orchid and it's really, really expensive. And it's also really beautiful colors there too. And I really didn't expect that to work, to tell you the truth. But it's pretty. And it actually covered the sides. And there's every color. So it's kind of accidental. And I like it. And whatever else is left on here, on this blade, can cover this one last spot that doesn't have anything. And in the meantime, I'm going to take all my extra paint. Am I? Maybe I'm not. I want to. I'm just going to put it on my edges. And I managed to make a sort of a bloom thing without wasting an awful ton of paint. And I've noticed she's wasting a whole lot less paint these days. She's figured it out. That's nice. I'm happy for her. And I'm really appreciating what she's doing, which looks a whole lot more creative to me than stuff I've seen in the past. So I'm going to take whatever I can see off my turntable and put it in a little scrape dish, which doesn't happen to be my normal scrape dish, but it's still a scrape dish and it will work. And I'm going to bring my tile back and try to remember to clean that paint off before I find out that it's stuck. So I didn't use any black, I only used the purple, and I don't see much evidence of the purple, but I like the purple lacing that I see. Makes me want to do something else. I really do like this over here. This is kind of cool. Just my scriddlings and scrapings are cool. Now, should I do anything else? That is the question. And I kind of want to. Kind of want to take some purple, cell activator, and put some darker color in there. A lot more than that. Oh look, I found a canvasy area. No more. All right. I think I'm going to be rude. Let me grab the end to my blow dryer, which looks a lot like it has threads on it, and I should pay attention to that before I do a mistake. Come on, off you go. I just needed something else in there. Because when I'm not satisfied, then I do something else. That's all there is to it. Oh, I found some of that yellow that disappeared. All that yellow, all that that Sergeant's yellow with the little bit of orange in it disappeared. I was just thinking, I bet I could spiral this out. And the question on everyone's lips is, should you? No, maybe not. Never stopped me before, though. My edges are covered. I got some great lacing. And some cells. But for some reason, I just want more hot orchid right down my middle. And what am I going to do about that? I think I'm going to give myself what I want. Both here and there. Because as pretty as it is, I want those colors in there. And I'm not 100% sure I'm going to love it, but I think I might like it better than I liked it. I wonder if I could get some of that yellow to show up if I just added it. Or floated it. I don't know, I think it wants to sink and I'm not sure why. Be nice if some of it stays. I kind of think I won't know for a while. So I used a fairly heavy layer of paint, but it had GAC 800 by Golden in it, which should prevent any cracking from going on. I've got my Skridlin's paint. I'm going to put that in the bucket. I'm going to give it a quick torch. I do like the colors. I wish there was a whole lot more orange in there. I really, really do. You know what happens when I wish something? I don't see any reason why I shouldn't have what I want since it's in my hand, on my table. And I know I'm going to like it better with orange in there. There is an off chance, since there's cell activator in there, I might get lucky. I'm exposing some yellow. That's awesome. And I've got a whole new line of spirals. And the spirals are sort of melting away. They're not actually staying. So in reality, they're just spreading the paint out. That's very pretty. Which I think the hot orchid had a lot to do with. So I'm going to torch really quick, call it a day, at least for this piece. Think about my dilemma whether I should be using pillow paint that's house paint or house paint GAC 800 mixture. This is very bright and cheerful. Oh, I'm getting some really cute little cells in the... right down there. Lots of lacing, tiny cells, lots of experimenting, lots of fun. I wonder if I can keep that cell activator from between my fingers. Wipe off my cell activator on my low-leafy silicone mat. I don't mind adding a little heat now and again, unless I break up the surface like that. Well, one thing I do know is if there's hot orchid, it will stain any white anywhere to a lovely pink. So I'm not going to worry too much about that. I'm pretty sure it will also heal itself. I shouldn't have risked it. Once you skim up the surface, you're in danger if you do what I'm doing right now, so don't do it. Do what I say, don't do what I do. Yeah, we all heard our parents tell us that. Still doing it, aren't you? Yes, I am. Busted. Okay, well, as much as I like that spiral, it doesn't go with anything else, so it's a little worrisome there. I have to play. I only learn by playing. I recommend it. So, there we go. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Sort of blooming. Asking for your thumbs up for my experiments. Telling you that my link tree is the first blue link or the second blue link, depending on if I use my little tools or not, and I put the video link under there. The Linktree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My Facebook group is Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. I'm going to zoom in so you can see some of my cells. Kind of think I would have liked some black in there. So the purple was fine. I'm going to mix up some cell activator with more black. So maybe it will stay. I love this, but it's my first one like this. I'm very tempted to do other things. Honestly, I am. So I have 2 books on the Amazon link that's on the Linktree, and they are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Also on the Linktree is my Legallerist, clothing made in Montreal. Beautiful investment quality dresses and kimono tops. And my spring clothing below the video is Less Expensive All Over Prints. And you can get in the monthly drawing if you'd like to make a contribution through PayPal. That's icon is on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and the links are on the Linktree. And you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes for the monthly drawing included at the very beginning of the exhibition video that I include on the end screens in the last 20 seconds of every video. So what else should I tell you, and why am I trying to read across the room with the wrong set of glasses on, and I wish I had my good glasses. So I guess that's good enough for now. Thank you guys for all the wonderful comments you leave me. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting. I love you much. There's 2,200 videos organized by the 100 and topic and genre. If you ever need a playlist, ask me. I will be happy to help you. I have all those links handy, and I could probably search out a video if you needed one. So I can't read across the room, but my paint pouring recipe is underneath, show more underneath the video, and so is my cell activator recipe. This is a fun, cheerful little piece. It needs black or something darker. Sorry, Karen. That's just the way it goes. All right, I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. I know I'm forgetting something. Oh, I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I post 7 days a week. And I do sell my artwork, and if you have the hashtag and you use my email address that you'll find below the link tree and get in touch with me, I can send you a better copy of a picture that you might be interested in purchasing. As long as you have that hashtag and file number from the title of the video, we can work together. I will see you anon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio. Pretty much squinting and half blind, but I'm going to find those glasses. I swear I am. Okay, see you. I love you guys. Take care of each other. I know, I'm getting redundant. Bye for now. Priscilla out.